Hi, this is Group Cumulous, and here I'm presenting our project on secure file sharing on cloud. Cloud computing is promising new technology where computing resources are provided as a service to users over the internet. Since cloud storage provides greater flexibility and availability to much lower investment, more and more users are attracted to outsource their data on the cloud servers. This project aims to implement secure file sharing in cloud through utilizing some recently proposed encryption schemes. Firstly, the data owners encrypt the files by an attribute-based encryption ABE scheme so that only authorized data users could decrypt these files. Second, attribute-based keyword searchable encryption scheme, thus enabling the authorized data users to search over the encrypted files to find their desired files. Finally, our goal is to enable secure data sharing, where each data owner could share his or her data to some authorized data users, taking advantage of characteristic of broad network access. Every data user could access the data using heterogeneous thin or thick client platforms, and at the same time, attribute-based access control is implemented by cryptographic schemes. This figure shows all the four components of our project: data owner, data user, trusted authority, and metadata server. In our second phase, all the users will request for the private key from the TA. So this is the client or the user, and this is the server. We run the server and the client. Send the attribute list. The contents of the attribute list are 1001 and this, and now we can see that the user has the private key.bin file. Here we show you the next step where the file owner is uploading his file. And we run the server. The server will receive the encrypted file and then store it on the cloud. The user, while uploading the file, will also send a keyword list which will denote the search keywords using which the user can download the file. So we are uploading this file, which we have made a test file, file.txt, and specify the keywords for search as AB. Here you can see that I have uploaded three files: file.txt, text.txt, and hello.txt with specific keywords ABE, BE, and EAB for test purposes. Here we can see in the MySQL database where the files are stored. We are using a database called FileKey. I'm going to print all the tables that were being stored in the database. Table name is key stb in this case. So here we can see that the three files which were uploaded are stored in the database. I'm only printing the file name, but all the indexes for the access control and the keyword search has been stored with the file names. So this is how it is being stored in the database. So here I am sending a trapdoor request from the data user to the metadata server. The server is running. I give the IP address of the server for this request. I give a keyword list.
As you had seen, I had given three keywords for three different files. If I give a wrong keyword which does not match with with any of the files, then it will return no file access. But first let's try with ABE. So here you can see that the server had that file.enc, and hence it returned that file.enc contains the interested keyword. So it will return with the file. Let's try with an unknown keywords. So here it will not receive any reply as the data user does not have the access.